Hello and welcome again. This is Bishnu Mahali, and this is day 133 of my 365 days streaming challenge. And my NVIDIA broadcast blur filter is not working for some reason. Okay, let's walk through the situation before moving on, I guess. Okay, finally it's working. Looks a bit cleaner basically, which is important. And then when it finally looks good. I think after the driver update it got like reset or something. Okay, yeah, this is it. So I've been out for like maybe 3 or 5 days. I don't know exactly, probably 5 days I think. That's because I was working on something time sensitive basically, which I just finished this morning, almost afternoon to be honest, but this morning, and then I have some amount of time I guess for today, so that's going to set the precedence of the next stream. I'm not sure what I'll be doing next, and I was even thinking about like maybe changing things up a little bit. And in one of my last streams someone requested Sifu to be the next one, so I'm thinking maybe that would be the next one. However, I haven't decided yet, and mostly this is because I'm running in like some sort of storage issue, simply because of the freelance work that I'm doing as a video editor basically. So I have to like keep up, I have to like store a lot of projects files and raw video files of like professional cameras and stuff. So the file sizes are usually like 10 GB 20 GB and stuff, which is taking a lot of space on my PC, and that's why I'm unable to like keep any titles for the gaming channel. And I have like, I had a cap of keeping only one of them at a time, but even that is not working for now because I have less than 50 GB storage now, and I have to like maybe buy a new one, but I don't want to invest money on anything at the moment because I'm in a tight situation basically. So let's decide what to do, because I do have like some games which would be like maybe 10 GB files or around something like that basically, which can be the solution. 50 GB would be fine I think, but I'll cap it there. I don't want to go anywhere close to like 80 or 100 GB games basically at the moment, because I don't have enough disk space. I have to like keep a lot of video files for the clients, and I don't immediately delete the projects basically. I have to keep them until they publish the video on their channels and stuff, so that if they make if they request for any changes, I can like go back to the project and instantly make the changes and give them the file back, stuff like that. So that's the reason I have to keep their files as well, like even the raw video files and stuff. And that's one of the reason why I'm dealing with storage. So it's not because I don't have enough storage. I have almost 3 terabytes of storage on my PC at the moment, but all of them are like getting full basically. I have only about 80 GB left of my 3 terabyte storage. So obviously it's not a perfect situation for me, and obviously I think I'll need more storage. I'm thinking about buying a 2 GB hard drive or something maybe, to store the video files, archives, to basically archive the old projects and old footages, which if I need, I'll be able to like take back from the archive drive to SSD and then work on it and then send it back, and then again move it onto the archive drive basically. And that would be the plan. I still use like about 1.5 terabyte of hard drive, old spinning hard drive, mechanical hard drive, to store basically video files and stuff. The rest of the two storage devices are SSD, and I think I will need to add one more SSD or at least hard drive if I just want to like clear some storage basically. So that's the plan, I think. Although I don't want to invest any money at the moment, so I'm confused what to do. The best I can do is like stream like games which will have less than 50 GB of storage, I guess. That will take less than 50 GB of storage is what I mean. Which could be the solution probably. And right now I have Sifu on my desktop. I don't know how much space it is taking. It was requested, so I downloaded it. Let's see, I guess. Okay, let's explore the options that I have, and from there we'll discuss what to do, I guess. And I'm thinking about streaming for an hour on this channel, and then it's also being streamed on the gaming channel, to be honest. So what I'll do is, sorry about that, end the stream on this particular channel, which is my main channel where I, okay, maybe not, let's not do that. I'll simply change the title, description and stuff on this particular stream, and then maybe start with the game stream then. Might as well like start with Sifu, I guess, because that's the one that is already installed. I don't have to download it. I do have like other titles though, which would like take less storage. It will allow me to work on more projects without deleting any video files or old projects. Okay, it's taking like about 30 GB. I think it fits my criteria, so I think I can keep it. I'll stay under 50 GB for now until I buy a new storage, I guess, or get rid of all the projects, pending projects and stuff. So yeah, we can begin with Sifu, I think. Let's work on like maybe a basic thumbnail. Increasing the brightness of my monitor, I forgot to do that. This is what happens when you are not regular. Okay, I'll say the browser window will work on thumbnail, and then basic thumbnail I'll create one using my Affinity photo software, which is also like not in the final stage. I'm still learning, so I'll use Canva, which is the old platform that I was using to create thumbnails, to create a basic one so that we can move forward, and maybe later we'll create something on Affinity photo with more effort put in, I guess. Let me see if I'm not sharing anything unnecessary. Okay, it's fine. Just keep thumbnails. I'm thinking about whether to use this scene or this scene. Let's go with this one. So we are creating a gaming thumbnail, but not one of these. Templates are a good way to start, to be honest, but personally I hate the fact that I have to like jump through like a lot of paid ones for no reason at all. There should be a filter to filter all the paid ones and only see the free ones, which Canva deliberately does not have to make us feel irritated and then upgrade. One of the dark pattern that I have observed on this platform. Sifu draft thumbnail. I think I have downloaded the graphics that we need, but I just need to confirm. Let me see. Okay, not really. We also wanted, I personally wanted to dive into like Witcher 3. So I've downloaded Witcher 3 graphics. Let me download some game assets and then I'll share the screen again. Let's go to their website, gallery, or you can simply Google search, by the way, image search. That also works fine. But I just want to look at the things before I do that. All of the options. I'm not sure if I'll like this because I don't really know about it basically. It was requested. Fresh kit is what I want. Let's download it. So they have provided the zip file, Google Drive, which I'm downloading as zip file. I like when game companies do that basically. Obviously people are going to stream their game. They should do this all the time. But just in case if we don't find the exact image we are looking for, I've also done image search. And I'm gonna download the game cover images, some of the cover images. Let's download the only one, I guess, the red one, which instantly tells you which game it is. And I've downloaded the logo separately so that I can place it wherever I want. Okay. Put it. So I just downloaded this, which we will be using as thumbnail. At least one variation of it. Okay, so this is our starting point. I'll obviously add a call out from here, my image, and I'm waiting on the download. Okay, it started already. Let me choose an image. I have a lot of images over here, so let me do it before I show you guys. Go with the default one that I have used so far. By the way, this is the reason why I'm learning Affinity Photo. I want to create advanced kind of thumbnails, plus I don't want subscriptions. So I have cancelled the Canva subscription that I had, and now I'm using the free version only. And eventually I want to like get rid of this completely if possible, or I may keep it for like quick work, but my default would be softwares that do not have any subscription, and I might even get rid of it completely, at least in terms of subscription. I don't think I'll ever buy it again unless I'm specifically doing something that requires that, which is less likely to happen. If I was using Affinity, I would have done a lot more things, but here I don't do a lot of things. So we don't have the logo. It is still being downloaded. I don't know why it's taking too much time. Maybe they have the PSD files, original files, and stuff like that. I should have checked the drive properly and only downloaded the logo, I guess. In fact, let's cancel the download and then download by selecting exactly what we need instead of this, because we already have less amount of storage. Okay. So this is our Sifu. Profiles provided, keywords definitive. Yep, these are the images. So yeah, they have provided everything basically. That's why. Print files as well. Okay, this could be helpful. This one could be useful. In terms of logo, I need all of them. We do have PSD files, but I'm good with alpha. Black PNG. I only need the alpha ones. And I don't need the PSD files. I don't have any need for that. You don't know what they are. Let's see. Social background. I don't know what they are. Slow clap. Okay, maybe the publisher logo. Screenshots. Also, I don't think we'll be using a screenshots, but let's see. Okay, I don't think we'll be using a screenshots. Maybe for background, maybe this one, for example. I think this will look good as a background. Let's do that. If you use the character, not the banner that I've downloaded, then this could be a good background for that. Preview screen. I guess it's good enough. This one. Okay, I think this one could be useful. Let's keep it, but I don't think I'll be using it. Launch screen. 8K format, max quality. Okay, that's why it was taking a lot of storage and time to download. Trailers. I don't need trailers. Behind the scenes, live action adoption. Okay. Updates roadmap. Okay, that's it. I think we're done with the downloads. Let me bring them, all of them, in the editor, and then we'll proceed from there. Okay, all of them are being downloaded. We'll use the white logo. Okay, maybe we needed the file. Maybe not. I'll just red on red is not looking good. I can simply maybe use some gradients and stuff to hide it. I mean, to make it visible. And I do feel like we might get with the character in this background, because right now if I use this logo over here, it blocks me. If I use it here, it blocks this person over here. So yeah, idea was good, I think. Download that background as well. But now we'll keep it, yeah, and we'll keep it smaller. Let's go with that idea. Remove this completely. Get this background. We are going to make it background, but I'm not sure how good it will be. Not great, but not bad either. A flipped version may look good. I need this character to be on this side. Not really. I can just move myself on this side. Which I usually do. Okay, maybe, because then the problem would be this character. Or we can simply use it anywhere, blocking those characters behind. Then you guys are getting the idea that I have. I'll rotate it a little bit over here, and so I'm trying to insinuate that I'm not sure if they are the same person, but I think they are. And that's the thing I'm trying to display here. The back side and the front side of the person, this character. This could get a little bit bigger, and the logo will get behind them slightly. I just brought it up to move it back again. We'll use some sort of gradient over there to match the overall aesthetic. I would be this person. Okay, I think we are getting there. I do have to make a lot of changes, but I think we are getting there. Use one gradient to make it match with the it's too much. We need to reduce the brightness a little bit or find another gradient. On Affinity Photo we could have created our own and with more control, but not to be in this case. Just need to find one with less strength. See, good ones are paid one. Not exactly black, but good work. Okay, this looks more like it. Only what if it was like black, it would have been great. Not bad though. Go with this one anyway. I can simply duplicate this. Let's gap a little bit of gap for some reason. I can't do this as well. I guess this is our only option. If we are doing it here, I'll create one obviously later with Affinity Photo. I just have to learn the software. I cannot do it quickly over there. Okay, already looking a bit better than this. Even in this one, I think I will remove this with the software. Generative fill basically. And then I think I will use this background. I think that background is definitely better than this one. Let me do it, I think, and see what happens. I'll do it on PC first and then maybe we'll try the online tools basically. I'm using this. Okay, I selected the wrong image. Give me a moment. Download somewhere. Okay, got it. Okay, WebP image. That's why it's not just being displayed there. It's a WebP image. What do I do next? I guess WebP is not supported here, so I have to convert it or use somewhere where the WebP will be supported. Okay, not really. It is supported. I think only it cannot be exported or something. I'm using the basic editor over here that you get with Microsoft Windows, and let's see if it can do the job. I'm not sure it can, but it is generative fill, so maybe it can. For smaller tasks, this is fine, by the way, absolutely fine. Less complicated task is what I mean. Let's see if it can do the job properly. Otherwise, we can like download something new. Okay, it messed up things. Happens if we brush the area out. Okay. Let's do it quickly this time. Not sure about the results, so fine. If we get some good result, then we'll do it with precision. I think everything is covered. Okay, so no, I thought it would give me like multiple options to choose from if I disable this. Percent the gas. Okay. Okay, it's not working. Maybe let's try Adobe solution. I'll come back to you with this one. Recent changes will be lost. Yep. Let me open the Adobe option and we'll try it there. Generative fill, there it is. Image generative fill, got it. Load or drag a file. Got it. I'll try this over here and see if it will do the job for us. Reset first, remove, insert, expand. What we are doing? We are doing remove. We will not add any prompt because we just want the background without this image. It will just try to understand the environment and regenerate basically. Let's see if we get something. Maybe I'll find something useful. Okay, better than the Microsoft option, but we are still getting the shadowy look. Okay, I have an idea. We can just expand the areas to give it more room to work with. I should have used the bigger brush. I'm knowingly doing this. Let's see if what happens if we give it like bigger area to understand what we are doing. Okay, this one it looks useful. Okay, this one is definitely better. Okay, let's use this one. I think it's good enough. I'll download this. Port it as a background. It's definitely a better background. Maybe we need to flip it though. Okay, not really. This is actually better. We are missing some red accents on this side. Maybe this can help. It was helpful, but the size is not. Okay, we messed up a lot of things. Okay. Don't want this guy to be the eye. Add a drop shadow or glow. Shadow is fine, but I think we are in desperate need of glow over here. $69. Logo is becoming a problem because of the things in the background. If we were working with PSD templates, then we could have removed them easily this time. I think this is good enough. I don't like it, to be honest, but I think it's good enough to get started. And mostly I'm not liking it because of this logo background. The paper like things. I don't know what they are called. Because of that thing, Just an experiment to see. Now his head is the eye, basically. The dot of the eye. Plus it's parallel to the head sort. Adding a gradient just behind the text would have been a great idea. But unfortunately, it's a logo and it's a PNG logo. So we'll create, I guess, replicate the same within Affinity Photo, and we'll try it there. You can also edit it, like maybe, but okay, BG remover is also paid. This software is, I mean, this program, I don't know, I would say it is very greedy, kind of. Not greedy, I mean, they deserve the money, obviously, it's a great tool. That's not the correct word. Annoying. Let's go to photopea.com. Open the logo here. Still not a PSD, but trying to see if we can use eraser. Simply remove them. I know they are essential part of the logo. Sorry about that. How do I zoom in? Okay. They are disturbing in our thumbnail at the moment. And we don't have to be precise, I think. We can keep some of them. Even. It's just too much. Now let's reduce the brush size. 2 pixel. Let's say 50. Okay, 50 would do fine. Up. Maybe selection tools would be helpful. Yeah, not really. Do you have line tools? Path selection. Quick selection, magic wand. Lasso select. This could work. Okay, not really. Path selection. I simply want a straight line tool. I don't think we have such option. I'll go with, okay, maybe ruler will work. I don't think that can be used to do what I want to do. This. Okay, I guess we'll do it with the hand. Sorry about this. I kind of moved between too many tabs at the same time. It will hog a lot of RAM now. That's why I was trying to quit it as soon as possible. But I wasn't successful. Every window is loading now. Tab is what I mean. And my PC is screaming, which I wanted to avoid. Obviously this is unnecessary what I'm doing, but we are doing it anyway. Smooth things a little bit. With the hope that maybe it will look good. Export as PNG. Save. Save. We do have a duplicate. Bring it in. Go back. Showing you guys these things. I should have cropped it earlier, but it's fine. Okay, now the images are smaller as well. Sure how that will pan out. 6 degrees, right? -6. Yeah, definitely looking a lot more cleaner. Need to send it back one more time. Yep. See, it's like Too distracting. This is better. And we can use the live thing over here, but in most cases we don't need it. And let's keep it clean, I guess. Simpler. Let's not do anything else. I think it's good enough. We can do a lot of stuff, but I think it will only be crowding things a bit. One more thing that I'm thinking about is placing a gradient at the bottom. Sorry. Just here. Okay, I think I'm convinced with this design. Let's move it a little bit further. This image is so old, but I don't like taking pictures, so I keep using the same ones. Okay, I think this is what our thumbnail would be for now. Page 4. Let's download it. Download completed. I'm still not sure if we should continue now. Let's check the stream stats, I guess, and then I'll decide. Okay, so I do have 3 Twitch viewers for some reason. I think we can continue with it. But only 3 viewers in the YouTube channel so far, not concurrent viewers. Okay, let me change all the descriptions and stuff, and then we'll create one. Okay, I think the best idea would be to end the stream and then restart, because the thing is that I've already done the stream for like about an hour. So for any new viewers, it would be like, what the hell are you doing kind of thing, for about an hour. And I even thought that maybe I shouldn't stream this one on the gaming channel while I'm planning, but I did it anyway. It was not really planned. So yeah, I guess this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll start again, but this time with Sifu on my gaming channel. I'll still be streaming on all the 3 platforms, by the way. It will just be dedicated to the game Sifu for my YouTube channels. That's the reason I'm going to stop and then restart. For Twitch, I think I can do it without stopping, so I'm stopping it only on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, I guess, if you're watching this on YouTube, and make sure to join in the next stream, which should be just in a few minutes. But let's end it everywhere, because I want to like customize everything from chat to description, tags, thumbnails, everything. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next stream, which I'm not sure if it will be in the morning because it's already late now. But I'm getting some viewers on Twitch, so I'm still deciding. I think we'll do a stream on Twitch. For now, just let me be, I guess. I'll end this one and then I'll come back with Sifu on both my YouTube channels plus Twitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great time ahead, and bye.